ABI Electronics and Texas Instruments joined forces to expand TI's ability to repair, recover and reuse electronic circuit boards used in production equipment. Texas' arrival to the repair don't waste movement follows the investment in ABI's BoardMaster, the world's most popular circuit board diagnostic system. The BoardMaster is widely used to maintain clean room equipment, probe cards, ATs and many other critical systems in semiconductor manufacturing. By choosing to repair rather than replace, TI demonstrates its commitment to sustainability and better obsolescence management of its assets, ensuring the quick delivery of parts needed to reduce the carbon footprint in sectors such as transport and energy generation.